Myself Megha Manala, year 15 CS34. This is a C++ program to demonstrate the use of a friend function. A friend function is defined outside the class, but it can access all the private or protected members of a class. Here I am demonstrating an example of a program using a matrix. So here there is a matrix declared A of size 3 and 3. This is a function void getData to accept the values of the matrix, and this is the function to display the values of the calculated matrix putData. And here this is our friend function of addition, subtraction and multiplication. A function can be made a friend function by prefixing the function name with a keyword friend, and it is defined, the function is defined independently outside the class. So matrix add, this is the friend function. It is defined outside the class independently, but it is made as a friend function of the class by prefixing it with a keyword friend, and the arguments are passed inside the brackets. This is the function to add the two matrix, and this is the function to subtract the matrix, and this is to multiply the matrix. Here in the addition matrix, after addition the output will be displayed for addition, subtraction and multiplication. This is how we calculate the values. This is the main program. In main program I have created all the objects of class matrix M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. M1 and M2 are two matrix which performs the operation, and M3, M4, M5 are the matrix that stores the values for this. M3 is for addition, M4 is for subtraction and M5 is for multiplication. In the main program, first we are calling the getData function of M1 to get the values for the first matrix. This is for the second matrix. After inputting all the values, then we are calculating the addition matrix by passing the arguments M1 and M2 and displaying the value, then subtraction matrix and displaying the values, and then finally the multiplication. When the function is called, first after accepting all the values, then when addition matrix is called, function is called, it will go back to this function, and the value of M3 will be stored by adding the two matrix, and it will return M3, the addition matrix. And in the similar way, subtraction M1 minus M2, and multiplication in the similar way M5 equal to, this is how we multiply the two matrix. Now we can run the program. This program can be used to calculate the addition, subtraction and multiplication values of any matrix. Enter the matrix. Here I have given the sizes 2. So if the matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another matrix 3, 6, 8, 4. If this is the matrix, then the addition matrix will be 4, 8, 11, 8. That is 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 6, 8, 3 plus 8, 11, and 6 plus 4, 8. In the similar way, subtraction and multiplication will be displayed. This is the program. Thank you.